In the next question, you're told to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters on the space provided below. Then in part A, from the center of the circle, mark a point X, which is 8 centimeters. And then part B, construct a tangent to the circle passing through point X. So take your ruler and mark off 4 centimeters using your pair of compass, like that. Mark off 4 centimeters, and then on your piece of paper or the space provided, draw a circle. Draw a circle. So your circle is drawn like that. According to the question, drawing that circle, you get a mark. And then in part B, you're told from the center O, this is our center O, from the center O, or from the center of the circle, mark a point X, which is 8 centimeters. So I'll take my ruler and draw a straight line. Draw a straight line which will be 8 centimeters away. I'll measure. So I'll draw a straight line from the center. And then mark 8 centimeters away. Again, go to your ruler and measure 8 centimeters. So from the center, mark off that point. That point will be 8 centimeters away. And this point, you mark it X. So O is at the center of the circle. This is a point X. And then you're told to construct a tangent to the circle passing through point X. Now we need to construct that external tangent, and it passes through point X. We need to bisect the line OX. So first bisect the line OX. Step at X. Take more than half the distance or the midpoint of OX. Strike an arc at the top and an arc at the bottom. And then step at the center again. Cut the first arc at the top and the second arc at the bottom. So join the points where those two arcs intersect at the bottom and at the top using a straight line. And then where it bisects the line, call that point M. Call this point here M. Step at M with a pair of compass. Step at M with a pair of compass and strike an arc from the center O. Strike an arc or an arc to cut the circle at the top and another arc to strike the circle at the bottom, like that. So with those 2 points now, take your ruler, join X to the point at the top using a straight line. Join X to the point at the top using a straight line. Like that. And join X to the point at the bottom using a straight line again. Like that. So you will have constructed two external tangents passing through X to the circle. And this one can be ascertained by joining O to this point at the bottom or O to the point at the top and then measuring this angle, because a tangent and a radius will always form an angle of 90 degrees onto the circumference. This angle here is 90 degrees. So we can call this point T, T1. The other point up here, we can call it T2. Can call this point T2. So the same property can be tested on T2 and the center of the circle. So that is how you construct the tangent that is required, an external tangent from a point outside a given circle.